Why did the white men that brought Christianity to us gave us Bible and in return took our idols away from us? So it shows that they used the Bible to slave us. That's a common feeling, that we were, they swayed us with the Bible, they slaved us. Is it no wonder traditional practitioners called it slavery book? Can you react to that?
Okay, those people that came to Africa, those missionaries, there's people that came to Africa, not all of them are the same. Some came to buy idols, some came to buy people, some came to preach gospel. So the people that preach gospel to us, they are not the one that buy our idol. They are not the one that buy our idol. The missionaries came to Africa, most of them preach the gospel and born idols. They are born idols. They born idols. So many of them even cut all this idol tree. They cut it down. Even our ancestors see the gospel. They receive the gospel. Our ancestors that are used. Do you know what these people do? Do you know how it takes to come to Africa? Or to come in a state like Ghana, Cameroon, Nigeria to preach the gospel. Do you know though I don't, if I talk to you may not understand what I'm saying, or our viewers may not understand it. Do you know the powers where these people conquer to enter to preach the gospel? They conquer the prince of Nigeria. They conquer the prince of Anambra. In olden days, see all these people they said they serve idol. They are not serving idol as our ancestors. They are not serving idols to our ancestors. Our ancestors scroll to idol more than all these native doctors you see. They do magic for social media now. They not serve idol as our ancestors. Our ancestors, they close with those idols where they serve well. But these people came, overcome them through the power of the gospel, through the power of Jesus. They came to overcome them, and our ancestors see different powers between light and darkness. They drop their idol. So many of our ancestors go inside their house, bring all their idol they burn it. Some of our ancestors use their hand, they call those evil idol tree. They cut it down, receive the gospel. So the people that buy idol, they are white men, but they are not missionary. The missionary that came to Africa, they burn idol, they preach the gospel. Our ancestors surrender their life to Christ, then follow Jesus Christ of Nazareth. So the people that preach the gospel, they are different than the people that come and buy idols.
Because we had a lot of people are saying these our idols were things that were they gave them knowledge for certain inventions. That's what we were told, that our idols, with those idols, they built certain things.
Okay, I want to ask you a question.
Have you heard about that?
You get black people when they talk, say white men, they came to Africa and they will buy our idol. They use our idol, produce an plan. Our idol give them knowledge. They use that knowledge to build an plan. Use that knowledge to build many things. Build an plan. Some of all these people, Africa, some of them have many idols, 20, 30. Some of them go talk, say, I carry 20 idols. I now 5 idols where they protect me, now 100 idols they protect me. All those idols where they worship. How many of them don't give them wisdom? They produce like aeroplane or they produce something like that. How many of them? So all these things they're saying is the people where they talk that thing, they don't know their left and their right. Any African that's saying that white people came to carry our idol give them wisdom, they build a plan. That person don't know what in the talk. That person don't know anything what in the talk. So you will have that idol. How many technology have you produced? That idol where they worship, how many of them don't give you wisdom? You produce technology. So all this is what they are talking. No make any sense. As for me, it don't make any sense.